This is a review of the refurbished Mac Mini, a compact, powerful computer that offers great value at a lower price. I purchased this item because I wanted an affordable yet reliable Mac for my workspace. Buying refurbished saved me money without compromising on performance. Plus, it's a more sustainable choice, reducing electronic waste. I like to use this for video editing, content creation, and everyday productivity. It's energy efficient, runs macOS smoothly, and integrates seamlessly with my other Apple devices. Some of the key features include cost savings. A refurbished Mac Mini can be up to 30% cheaper than new models, making them a budget-friendly option. Apple thoroughly test and refurbish these devices to ensure they function like new. Energy efficiency. The Mac Mini is designed to be power efficient, helping you save on electricity bills. Then there is warranty protection. Buying from Apple's certified refurbished store includes a standard warranty and AppleCare eligibility. So my final thoughts, if you're looking for a powerful, compact, and budget-friendly Mac, a refurbished Mac Mini is definitely worth considering. It delivers the same great performance at a fraction of the cost. Would you consider buying refurbished? Let me know your thoughts.